Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. I am Mohammad Shah Jahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College. I would like to discuss Chapter 4. This is fourth lecture on Chapter 4. You know, our fourth chapter is Capital and Revenue Transaction. After this lecture, you can determine revenue income, you can determine revenue expenditure, you can determine capital expenditure. Dear student, this is CQ3 in your textbooks. So all of you take your books so that you can easily understand the question. Dear student, look at the first requirement. This is amount of revenue income. So first lecture we have discussed what is revenue income. Revenue income means the income which we receive regularly. It will give us benefit for short time. So that is our revenue income. In this requirement, the revenue income is realizing bill for arranging a birthday party. That means this is a restaurant. That's why they arrange a birthday party. This type of event occurs almost regularly in their organization. So this is their regular income. Then another one is received from providing service. They may give service to other party. That's why they earn the money. So this is another regular income. Total 47,000 is their revenue income. Then now revenue expenses. Revenue expense means the expenses which occur daily, regularly in the organization, and the benefit of this type of expenses is for short term. Look at in this system, revenue expenses are number one, publicity expenses of restaurant. You know this is a advertisement, kind of advertisement. Maybe after in the Friday they give leaflet in front of the masjid. So this is publicity expenses for restaurant. This type of expenses occur regularly. Then repairing expenses of a delivery van. They have a delivery van. They give delivery, home delivery, and the little repairment or repairing expenses for that delivery van is their revenue expenses. Then employee salary paid. That means salary of the employee, you know, every month or daily. If it is daily basis, then every day. If it is weekly basis, then after every week. That means they have to pay. And how much they pay, they will get service for that time. That's why this is regular and benefit enjoyed for short time. So it is also a revenue expenses. Then rent paid. Maybe it is monthly. So every month they have to pay. If you pay for 1 month, you have to you can stay only 1 month in that building. So this is also regular pay. This type of expenses is revenue expenses. Now, capital expenses. You know, capital expense means the expenses which give us benefit for long term. Last class also we have discussed capital expense. That means capital expense is for purchase of asset. If we buy any asset, that will be our capital expense. Look at utensil purchase. You know what is utensil? Utensils means cup, fridge, plate, spoons. These are the utensils for restaurant. So if they buy that, you know that spoon is not damaged within 1 day or with 1 month. Accidentally maybe it damaged. So it will give us service for a long time. That's why this is capital expenses, utensil. Then decoration cost. Decoration cost of a restaurant. That means at the beginning of the starting business, the restaurant will decorate so that customer are attracted. So this type of decoration cost will not occur every day or every month or every year. Maybe they will decorate once and it will use they will 5 years at least. So this is decoration cost. This is capital expenditure. Then another one is compressor purchased. You know compressor, it is used maybe in the fridge or any electric equipment. So this is also every day they will not buy. Every month they will not buy. It will give them service for a long time. And you know any expenses give you service for a long time, then it will be a capital expenses. Then last one, it is almirah bought. That means almirah means it is a kind of furniture. So if they buy an almirah, it will give them service for a long time. Within one day, within 1 month or 1 week, their almirah will not be damaged. So this is another example of capital expense. So total of capital expenses is 1,33,000. Dear student, this is your homework. I hope you will do it at home so that next class I can solve for you. And dear students, some of you did not submit your homework of lecture 3. Please do it. Thank you very much. May Allah help us. May Allah help all of you. Stay safe.